Hey guys, I'm back with another get ready with me. So if you want to see how I created this look, literally just keep on watching. Okay, first things first, I'm going to go in with my MAC Prep and Prime as usual and just prep my skin and get it ready. I am actually already wearing a skin tint from Shiseido because before checking into the hotel, I kind of wanted a no makeup day, but I have like lots of new scarring and it just looks amazing. It looks like my skin. Next, I'm going to grab my Dior Forever Foundation in the shade 7.5N and my brushes from Destinee Beauty. I absolutely love these brushes. They're so soft and they blend everything so seamlessly. So I had an event this evening, which is why I thought I might as well film it into a get ready with me. And I wasn't particularly pleased with my last get ready with me I uploaded solely because of the colours. I had such a difficult time adjusting the colours. But I'm just going in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick in the shade Ebony just to contour and add more dimension to my face. Although this is a glam look, it actually ended up turning out very, very lightweight and natural, which I really liked, and I wasn't intentionally going for that. So you guys are going to see what I mean at the end. Next, with my Marc Jacobs Extra Shot Concealer in the shade Deep 440, I'm just going to highlight underneath my eyes, the top of my mouth, my chin, and my forehead. I don't know whether this concealer has been discontinued or not, but I genuinely find it very difficult to find, but it's amazing. It just blends so seamlessly with very minimal effort. With my Born This Way concealer in the shade Butterscotch, I'm just going to further brighten up my under eyes, my cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead. With my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder in the shade Honey, I'm just going to lightly set all my concealed / highlighted areas before further going in to bake those areas. Throwing it back to an old fave of mine, my Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette is back and I am loving her. I love the brown in this palette and I just think it just looks so amazing on my skin tone. For this look, I also use my Toofaced Chocolate Gold palette because my Topaz Obsessions doesn't actually have a rich black and I needed one for this look. When it comes to my eyes, I kind of like to place all the colours and get them laid on my eyes before going back in to kind of like clean it up and blend it all in and make it look a lot better than what it's looking like now. So don't worry, I go in with brushes and I just clean that up. With the same brown from my Topaz Obsessions palette, I'm just going to line my waterline and kind of smoke it out just to make it stand out a bit, because later on I actually found out that I had forgotten my mascara, so there will be no mascara in this look, unfortunately. Just lightly applying a few strokes with my Too Faced brow pencil in the shade Soft Black for a soft and natural brow. Now time to add that colour back to my face. I'm going to do that using my Morphe Glamabronze bronzer in the shade Prodigy. And I'm just going to bronze my cheekbones, my forehead, my jawline, but I'm also going to go back in with my Morphe Filter Effects powder in 15, the shade 15, and just deepen all of those areas. I believe my face has been baking for long enough, so I'm just going to dust that away with my brush and go in with my Morphe Filter 14 powder all over my face to give a nice seamless overall blend that will not have a harsh under eye and will combat flashback. You heard it here first. With my Pixi Glow Mist Setting Spray, I'm just going to spray that all over my face. And I would say this is more of kind of like a dewy spray as opposed to an actual setting spray. So I like to do this just to get away that powder look. And I'll further go back in with my setting powder to my highlighted areas to just brighten everything up and blend further. Once you've done that, feel free to go back in with your bronzer just to bring back some colour. If you're looking a bit grey or a bit ashy, it doesn't hurt to go back in. A very important step to me in all of this is to just contour my lips. So line my lips with my contour shade, back in with my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Ebony. Gorgeous, gorgeous girls, over blush, and I am using my By Me blush in the shade Hatti Crimson 503. This looks amazing on darker skin tones. Definitely go for the oranges, the peaches. Time for the lips to tie everything together, and I am using my Toofaced lipstick in the shade Make Me Blush. I will then further go in with my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy, as well as my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Hot Chocolate. And here you have it. This is the finished look, guys. Off camera I applied some false lashes from Kiss Falscara, but there is no mascara. However, I really do like how this look turned out. It's giving subtle glam, it's giving skin. Let me know what you guys think in the description box. Comment, like, share and subscribe. Hope you do like this video. Bye guys.